Hi and welcome to christiescrafts.com. Today I'm going to show you all about how to make some quick and easy pressed flower bookmarks. Really easy, all you need is a laminator. So please remember to give me a thumbs up below and subscribe if you want to see my other tutorials. We're going to start with a laminating pouch. Straightforward, whatever size you like. Mine's an A5 one, okay? So you're just going to open it up and then think about what you actually want on your bookmark. So out of an A5 laminating pouch, I'm going to get two bookmarks. The first one, I'm going to use some yellow flowers that I've got, and I'm just going to lay them out in a very simple design. You can use as many different flowers, leaves, and whatever that you like, and you can make it as pretty, as complex as you like, but I'm going to make mine really simple. So I'm starting with quite a sizable flower, and then a small one. So I'm thinking, okay, let's have flowers growing in size from one end to the other, from the bottom to the top of my bookmark. That's 3, but I think I can squeeze another one in. I may have to adjust them, but I'll be able to squeeze another one in. So let's move that one up. And move the other one up. Now that final one's bigger, so I'll just move that one up. And then I'll have 4. And I think that's going to make a really pretty bookmark. So I'm going to get rid of those. And I'm now going to get my ready pink flowers that I've got and do another bookmark, but I'm going to do it in the same laminating pouch. So I'm just going to run it up the other half, and then I'll be able to cut this pouch up once it's been laminated. So I'm placing quite a large one, and that one's quite large. I think I'm probably going to put 3 into this one. Let's just find another one. Okay, I've lost some of the petals off that one. I'll just recover them and put them in place. No one will ever know. Okay, just make sure it's in the right position. I'm happy. Then I close the pouch, ready to laminate. Doesn't matter what size laminator you've got. Mine's quite large, it's A3, but whatever you've got, put it on, let it heat up, and then feed your pouch through. Should go through nice and smoothly. I tend to support mine to make sure the flowers can't move until it's laminated. Then all we need to do is cut it up into the size we want. So the first thing I'm going to do is cut the yellow one. Now you'll see that I'm using a self-healing cutting mat and a rotary cutter. Don't worry if you don't have those things, just use scissors. Scissors work very well and I use them for years. I've only had a rotary cutter a few years. Now I'll look at the red one. It's not very symmetrical. A lot more plastic on one side than the other. So I'm going to cut that one down so that the flowers are running up the centre of the bookmark. If you want to, you can round the corners of your bookmark so they're not so sharp, but I would just do that with scissors. Or you can just leave them how they are. And at this point, you could accept that you've got 2 completed bookmarks. Just have to cut that again. It's not quite cut through all the way. Okay, and we have things you could just use as bookmarks, but I'm going to make mine a little bit fancier by attaching a thread on the top. So in the center of the top of each one, I'm going to punch a hole. I'm going to do it by eye. I'm not measuring it or anything. That's up to you. You could measure them if you wanted. And then I'm going to do the same with this one. And I'm simply going to use embroidery thread for mine, but you could put bits of ribbon through, string. It's entirely up to you. So as you'll see, I've got matching ribbon. No, I haven't. I've got matching embroidery thread. That's me suggesting ribbon. Okay, so whatever you decide to use, fold it in half and get your ends together. Feed the loop through your hole at the top of your bookmark and then thread the 2 ends through the loop so that it just fastens it onto the top of your bookmark. And there you have your nice string, thread or ribbon that'll hang out of your book and make it easy for you to find your place. So I'm just going to repeat the same thing for the other one. I'm going to put the loop through the hole and then I'm going to thread the other lengths through the loop. Pull it tight. And there we have it, 2 completed bookmarks. So I hope you have lots of fun designing yours and laminating them up, and I hope you see how quick they are and make great gifts. So thank you for watching. Please take the time, give a thumbs up and give me a comment. Great if you subscribe below, and then you can catch all my videos. If you click on the bell, you'll know every time I post a new one. Thank you very much for watching. Bye.